Okay.
Cute boy.
Now it's recording.
Okay. Ready? Hold your head up. Hold your head up. Do it.
Is that Joe?
It's Jameis.
Do you need to get it?
Yep. No burps. This is Scott. Hey, how you doing?
Hi, Avery.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, sweet boy.
Okay. Okay.
He's been coughing a lot lately.
Cool. Oh wow. All right. Well, that is. Can you sort of shoot me an email with like expenses and all that stuff?
Is it wet?
Okay. Jesus. Yeah, I mean, you can. I would say, I'm fairly certain we could do that. If there was a wife and child coming with, actually, I don't know if that's too soon. That's too soon. Never mind. um, okay. Yeah, please. Yeah, for sure. That'd be great. Okay. Cool. Okay, that's perfect.